To set video wallpaper on the POCO X8 Pro, we got actually a few methods, but I'm going to show you two of them. But both of them are actually linked with the Google Play Store. So first of all, you will have to download the Zedge application, and also we can do the same with a TikTok. So we can use those two applications. So if you have a TikTok, you will have to just open it. Now wait for the next screen. Here you have to just click on the search and input live wallpaper phrase. But as you can see, we can find some lags, so let's do this one more time. Input live wallpapers, click on the videos, and now you can just pick a video that you want, but you have to remember that not every wallpaper is supported. You have to click here, tap to set as a wallpaper, and in most cases you will have to also download right now the second application for the TikTok video wallpaper, this one, because without this plugin you will be not able to set wallpaper like in me. And in the Zedge application it's a little bit easier because every wallpaper is supported, so you don't have to pay for anything. You can just select video wallpapers and now pick the wallpaper that you like. For example, we can try with this one. Now you can also find some similar wallpapers, and if I want to get, for example, this one, I have to click on this button, and now I have to watch ad and set this as a wallpaper. And this is basically everything for this video. I hope you find it useful. See you in the next one.